as human beings we use language to describe, analyze, and 20 actions and convey our ideas, feelings and concerns. We interact through words and a group of words we call sentences. There are other persons who do the same. We understand the words they use. Gradually, we begin to use a word that means or signifies same objects to all in a community. Language is a social product. Words are given a meaning and that meaning is commonly accepted by others. Thus, social interaction gets facilitated. A story is told about 9 different lineages living in separate valleys of the Naga in the northeastern India. They sat down to take a thing, in local dialect. Others did not understand which thing was wanted. Then each of them opened a small packet. It contained salt. But salt was described in 9 different words. So we can understand the value of one word meaning or signifying the one chosen object. 2 more examples will help. The word chair indicates a piece of furniture used for being seated. At a time in the parliament, members used to sit on benches. Those who were in the government and controlled the finances were said to occupy Treasury Benches. Those on the other side were seated on opposition benches and the person who was addressed as the chair. Here objects are associated with positions and the meaning understood by persons occupying those seats. In the court the bench signifies the judges. The lawyers are separated by a bar from the dais. Lawyers are thus said to belong to the bar. Here again objects, the bar and the bench, get associated with their respective position of persons who are differentiated from each other. In cricket the white coat used to indicate the umpire. Different dress codes are laid down for different ranks in the army and the police. When one word is used many times to convey the same meaning, it becomes possible for other persons to share it and thereby to communicate with each other. Even signs can be used to convey yes or no. Human beings are distinguished from animals for possessing the capacity to have language for interaction. Karl Popper and Wallerstein's names are among of the foremost among them, as scholars from that significant academic center got spread over to English-speaking countries making their mark in philosophy, economics, and sociology, and might of them brought up in the classical trends of music continue to illustrate the argument from the same. Be it recalled that German as a language linked the scholarly traditions of Austria and Germany.